how does the compound effect relate to personal branding? It really relates to all areas of life and business, but I'm gonna talk about how it relates to personal branding. I don't want you to look at this personal branding and video content as having numbers like this being impressive. I know you're probably gonna be like, wow, I got 10,000, 60,000 views on a video, that's amazing. That is, but you need to compound that over and over and over and over again until your numbers on your videos start to get closer to hundreds of thousands, because that's where you start to have so much social proof stacking up that you really get the benefit. The way that you'll be most successful is when the same 100,000 or 10,000 or 1,000,000 people, when they've seen you not once or twice or even 5 or 10 times, when they've seen you 50 times, that is when the compound effect starts to kick in, and that is when you start to really position yourself as an authority in your industry. So just remember, it's a long-term game, and it's really all about compounding lots and lots and lots of videos consistently over a long period of time. I hope this helps. Remember, it's a marathon, not a race.